Yes, guys, just on my previous story about, not having time to make breakfast or make lunch or whatever it might be. I hear this from people every day. I just didn't have time to have a healthy breakfast, so I had to stop and get a croissant and a coffee at Starbucks. I had to stop at McDonald's. I had to. You didn't have to. You wanted to. You chose to. The bottom line is, the whole thing about not having time is, I'm sure we could have substituted 10 minutes of watching TV yesterday on a Sunday and thought, let me just go and make something. Let me go and prepare something. Or, as I did this morning, just get up 5-10 minutes earlier, whip up a couple eggs, chuck it in the thermos. Oh, easy, done. No excuses. Don't have to waste money. Don't have to waste time on putting rubbish into your body. It's not about time. It's about making time. It's about finding time. The bottom line is, if you want something to happen, you'll make it happen. If you want to find excuses, you're going to find excuses. You're going to find reasons not to. You're going to find a reason to, I had to, and then I had to stop at McDonald's. Like I said, have to or want to. And that's okay. It's not a big problem here and there. But if you deem this McDonald's example, whether it's literally the case or just figuratively the case, if you deem that as being an obstacle in your way to reaching your goals, well, are you going to make a change? Are you going to make a little difference? It literally takes 6 or 7 minutes to whip some eggs up in a pan and chuck it in a thermos, grab a banana. Oh, there you go. You got a breakfast. You got a bit of carb. You got a bit of protein. Perfect. Ready to go. Easy job. It doesn't take much, guys. It doesn't take much. It just takes a tiny little bit of effort and a tiny little bit of prior planning and will.